Renzi, what are you doing?
I'm doing a quick inventory.
For Vans.
For Vans, 62 Bird.
Ooh, the Bird.
I mean,
The big progress is gonna start now.
I think I'm gonna try to get everything like the leaf springs, the bushings on the back.
I'd pull the axles first.
Well, I gotta do the inventory. I want to make sure we have everything.
Yeah. Did you say you couldn't find something?
There's actually a few things on here now. Maybe they got mixed up somewhere in there. Luckily, a lot of things are written on the boxes. Not only do we have the shelves labeled, but also
There's a lot of shit came in.
yeah, this has been a fun week and a half.
A lot of shit came in.
So
Came in like Bernsey
whoa,
after a couple drinks.
that's why I have 2 kids, but wonderful kids, love them to death.
I'm their grandpa.
But he's younger than me.
Yeah, he's older than me. Anyway,
So yeah, just trying to go down the list
I
here.
made you a list.
So
Santa.
you know, yeah, we got the shackles.
Wait, is Santa checking the list?
No, that's
naughty and nice?
I'm just trying to get ready for this year. You know, yeah, we'll see. We'll have a good old party
Hose.
with a lot of fireball, maybe.
Ooh, no.
Yeah. I'll leave the rest of the stuff out of the video. Anyways, leaf springs. Yes, we got both of them.
Yeah, they're there.
This is the only one I was kind of confused about, Bobby. It says V bolts.
That's a U.
I didn't see any V bolts. Oh, were you talking about
That's a U. I can't
U
write.
bolts? I mean,
You were being a facetious cunt, weren't you?
all right. Well, I mean, I got 4 of them, so they're there.
Let's make sure they're the right size, because nobody knows how to send you the right shit lately. They're a little snug around the housing, but that's normal.
Yeah, they'll probably need to work in.
Yeah, link's right. Good enough. Here's your V-bolt.
My V bolt. Oh, thank you,
jackass.
sir. All right, thanks, sir.
Yes, dear.
So, we got the leaf spring isolators. We got 4 of them. There's 2 of them right here. I already have 2 of them over there because I was starting to set up. So we got that. Front springs bushings. So that is one of the things.
Those are right there. You already used them.
Oh, sorry. I should say leaf spring bushings.
I
would have
I should
understood
put
that.
front leaf spring bushings. Sorry, I was writing it fast.
3rd member gasket. So this is one of the things.
55074. We usually stock those anyway because they use them in rice too, so
Okay.
not a big deal.
All right. Well, we'll look for that in a minute. Let's just keep going.
Carry on.
2 rear shocks.
Yep. We have shocks.
Okay. So
Did you get everything out of the car?
I believe, there's nothing in the trunk. But yeah, everything's out of the car.
Junk in your trunk.
I mean, there is.
But
Yeah,
don't-
it's.
But Duncan don't. Give that thing a smack, Scotty.
No.
I would have got.
There's only so far I'm gonna go on camera because if he starts going ooh and an on, forget it. That camera's turning off and we're
This-
gonna disappear in a room for a
This
while.
disappears from YouTube and
I
ends
feel
up on
flattered.
OnlyFans.
I promise you, I'll even make you breakfast in the morning.
Damn.
Or do you want breakfast in bed?
Well, that depends
Well,
what you
no.
mean by that,
Mahogany? Or do you
Huh?
like cherry?
Jerry.
Okay.
That was a total play on what he sent us in our group text this morning.
Correct.
Why is it morning wood?
No, why is it called morning wood when it should be called breakfast in bed?
God,
But I'm bummed.
Anyway, back
So, anyways,
Brenzi's on the job.
2 rear shocks, 2 front shocks. So I'll have to find those.
They're here.
There's some around here. Short rod bushing set. Whoop.
Yep. That was nice and hard to get.
Right there.
Backing plate gaskets. They're those little paper thin guys. We got a shelf of them. Ooh, it's quieter now.
So
Let me actually be able to hear.
Oh, we're far away.
rear axle.
Oh, eBay for Scotty. Jesus.
Shock.
Rear axle bearings.
Yeah. I'd say let's get the axles out first.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Get
do
them
that.
next door, get them pressed.
Sounds
Keep
good.
going.
So we got those. Trans seal kit
Down
sitting
yonder.
right there.
ATF here.
ATF, we're all good. Gear oil, we're all good. So the only thing we gotta look for is rear brake hose.
Which I know where it's at.
Okay.
All right.
So I mean, not too bad.
Dig in.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You're learning that.
4 items, 5 items.
Little items. They're here.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna take the axle shafts out, get it ready to take next door, get the bearings pressed in, And then I'll start messing with these leaf springs.
And we got to pull a drive shaft on the third member too.
Yes, sir. All right.